Now we have a table called employee. If you see here, we have 3 columns. Suppose if I need to add a new column here called address, so we can add it by using the command called alter table, which table, employee, and then we have to add a command add. Let's say we have the column name address, where data type, and then the length. Okay, now let's execute this query. Now the query is executed successfully. Let's see what's there in the table. Now if you see here, the address has been added as a new column, right? Suppose if I need to rename the column of the employee name, we alter table employee rename column employee underscore name to name, right? You can use this to rename the column name. Okay, now if we see here, the employee name will be changed to name, right? Suppose if you want to drop the column, this one, you can use alter table employee drop column. Which column we need to drop? Address, right? So address. Now if you click and execute, the that column will be dropped. Okay, so if we see here, the column has been dropped. Suppose if you want to change the data type, you can use employee modify name, and then sorry, which one we are going to change? DOB, right? DOB to varchar of 20. Okay, let's execute this, and we can't see this, but the data type has been changed, right?